Yo guys, so Cardano is pumping like crazy and I know what you are thinking. Should I purchase Cardano now or wait for a pullback, right guys? This is something that we are going to try to figure out in this video, right? I haven't been making Cardano video for ages, so guys, welcome back if you are still a Cardano subscriber. And now guys, let's have a look at a very short time frame for Cardano. Of course we are going to cover the news, right? But I'm pretty sure that everybody already knows the news for Cardano, right? So guys, 4 hourly is showing a significant move towards the upside. However guys, even small time frame Cardano 4 hourly is at the overheated area from the standpoint of stochastic RSI and well, lacks Argo, RAR, Rainbow, whatever, right? That basically is a longer term kind of bullish scenario, right? Bullish momentum. So guys, now looking at the daily time frame, let's have a look what's going on in the daily time frame, right? So from the standpoint of the daily time frame, we can see that last time we had such highs, that was in March 2024. That was basically almost at the end of this altcoin pump that we saw. So we definitely have broke above the downtrend. Okay, so that's very bullish thing from the standpoint of the daily. However, we do have to remember that we still have some levels of resistance that Cardano might gonna experience, right, on its way towards the upside, because we can clearly see we've got some confirmations in this zone and this area roughly in here. Okay, so guys, this is the first thing. And also we have to look at the standpoint of the daily if it comes to stochastic RSI, right? So we see that this short-term stochastic RSI is showing us that Cardano might gonna pull back. Well, considering the fact that we have lots of resistance in this area, okay, and also liquidity, which we are going to cover very soon. However guys, we can see that this rainbow in here below, which is also RSI, is showing us that we are going towards this green momentum. Okay, so short term we are going to probably see perhaps rejection, grab of liquidity in here, then probably close above, then retest as a support, right? And that thing is going to fluctuate. However, longer term, well, according to this indicator, we can see that this is going to stay in here for a while, right? So this bullish momentum is coming for Cardano, obviously, right? Of course, this thing is pumping due to the fact of what Charles is basically getting himself as a deal, right, with the president and Elon Musk and all of that. So obviously that is a very bullish news, guys. He's going to be an advisor, right? Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments down below, right? However guys, advisor, if not, that doesn't necessarily mean that Cardano is going to go towards the upside like crazy. So guys, this is 12 hourly, this is Binance, but if you are going to go to coinglass.com, you can see it easily as well. And on Binance, we've got liquidity in this area. Okay, so for instance, for example, if I'm going to go to Bybit ADA USDT perpetual, we can see that the price is going towards liquidity, right? Lots of liquidity is going to be flushed. And why? Well, because we can see in here that more people are definitely longing ADA on Binance, at least on a daily, rather than shorting, right? And that liquidity is visible and whales can basically see it, right? So-called lizard people. Now guys, all of the exchanges for ADA on a daily, which is in here, ADA exchange liquidation map, we can clearly see that everybody is longing on all of the exchanges. I mean, Bybit, OKX, Binance, and well, perhaps some others. But now guys, let's have a look at 7 daily. What's going on 7 daily? So we can clearly see this, okay? 7 daily, guys, right? Also, if we are going to go to RSIs, let me actually refresh this site. We can clearly see that, well, this actually 4 hourly. Let me go to the weekly time frame, guys. So on a weekly time frame, we can see what altcoin basically has too much of money, and probably that money is going to outflow from that project sooner rather than later, right? So we've got ADAM, BTC, XRP, right? I believe that the pullback is going to happen. I don't necessarily think that the pullback is going to happen just yet. We obviously are waiting for this catalyst, well, whether bearish or bullish. And I speak about Nvidia readings here, guys. What I would do, obviously this is not financial advice, I cannot tell you what to do, but what I would do, I'll probably wait for ADA's pullback, okay, and probably get interested into altcoins that are in oversold or weak area, let's say, and basically altcoins that have better entries for now, at least, right? Does it mean that ADA isn't going to see huge prices towards the upside in this cycle? Well, of course guys, it probably will, right? Obviously people are having predictions of $5, $10 and all of that, right? However, what I would do if I would be you guys, of course, again, I cannot tell you what to do, but I will tell you what I did with Sui, right? So I was basically bullish on Sui. However, I haven't had a huge amount of money, but I just wanted to maximize my gains, and I basically invested into, well, decentralized exchange on Sui, right? And I get definitely much more access rather than, you know, investing in Sui. I hope that makes sense. So what you can guys do is to basically research what are the dexes or maybe meme coins and stuff like this, or on Cardano, because I believe that, you know, there is much more upside. Okay, because guys, despite the fact that we have broke this downtrend, we still have downtrend that, you know, is basically in here. Okay, so we can definitely retest this level in here. Okay, I believe that this is definitely doable, and that also is going to coincide with, well, roughly this level of a support. Okay, we've got confirmations roughly in this area. Now coming back to liquidity, guys, let's have a look. We've got, let's say, let's do 3 daily. All right, so 3 daily, we've got significant bits of liquidity at 80 cents, and then we've got 71. Okay, so let's have a look. 80 cents, where is going to take us on the chart? Okay, so 83, that's actually 80 in here, guys. So very quick liquidity grab. Actually, we are at 80 cents, right? We are at 82. That's obviously a zoomed out perspective, but I do believe that this liquidity is going to be grabbed, and then, you know, let's see, guys. All right, we are going to reevaluate the charts later. And now, guys, for the people that are basically, you know, accumulating spot, let's have a look. BTC's dominance is currently pumping and still haven't dropped yet. Well, what does it mean, right? What does it mean for Cardano? What does it mean for, you know, most of the altcoins, right? It means that we still haven't seen an altcoin season, which obviously is a great thing if you want to buy Cardano for the longer term, let's say, because you are not interested into trading, right? There are obviously many different groups of people and investors, right? So guys, looking at total crypto market cap that is excluding BTC, we see that we still are basically going towards this huge level that leads us back to the previous cycle, basically. So again, we could experience some short-term pullback in here, whatever, but why I'm showing you this chart is that, you know, you can basically see of how much potential we still have yet with Cardano. Okay, looking at total 3, guys, you can see that this thing is basically excluding Ethereum now, right, and Bitcoin. We can see that we have you know, basically lagging behind. This chart is lagging behind. That's what I'm trying to say. So guys, we still have a lot of upside. Okay, and now, guys, very quick look at USDT dominance. I believe that USDT dominance, if not going to go towards the upside now, I believe that it might gonna dip to, let's say, level of 4.11% for roughly these levels, or 381. Okay, we've got lots of confirmations in here, right? Obviously in here as well. Okay, so I do believe that we are going to experience pullback because they are normal in a bull cycles, but perhaps not yet. That of course depends on Nvidia readings. Again, guys, go to defilama.com and check over there what are the projects for Cardano, right? If you're interested into, if you're bullish on the Cardano ecosystem. All right, that was a very quick update. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and let me know in the comments down below if you're actually interested in such updates for ADA on the channel here. All right, that's it, what I've got for you today, and as always, guys, peace and love crypto.